Octavia, Motor Trend certified, what the devil's that? I ain't never heard of such a thing.
Motor Trend certified, you on the new or the used, or you want both?
There's no such thing as Motor Trend certified on the new, okay? It's the
Okay.
Clay Cooley Family Guarantee on the new, which includes 6 additional warranties.
Correct.
There's only Motor Trend certified on non-Kia certified used vehicles.
Okay.
So I'm looking at a Honda that's Motor Trend certified.
Okay. Well, first of all, you'll be getting one of the best cars in the state of Texas.
Whoa, Octavia, every car salesman tells me that. Well, how come it's a better car?
Well, the reason why, because we do something above and beyond what any other dealerships do, sir.
Okay, like what?
Well, first of all, we give you 1 year.
No, first of all, show me the inspection, laminate.
The inspection limit? This one.
Show me the inspection, because that's what's gonna set you apart first, okay?
Well, the inspection limit shows that we do a in between 125 to maybe 150 point inspection, check all belts, hoses, fluids, rotors to make sure everything is up to par, sir.
Okay.
Okay? And I have
And what
everything
if something,
showing on this
what
right
if
here.
something doesn't pass?
If something doesn't pass, we will make sure that we'll get it fixed and it will pass, because it will be covered under the Clay Cooley.
Because if it don't pass, it can't be certified.
That's correct, but we will make sure it passes so it can be certified, sir.
Okay, are you to back that up?
Yes, sir. Actually, I will give you a copy of this laminated. You'll just sign this form. You can actually have it in writing to keep in your records.
What is that right there you're showing to me?
Well, I'm showing you the form to get your name, address, and all. So
No, you're showing me the 12-15 warranty.
yes,
That's
but
what you're showing me.
exactly, which is on this side.
No, that's the inspection on that side.
Okay. Well, the warranty still will be included with the inspection, sir.
Is that
You
one
would
of those
have-
warranties that doesn't cover anything?
Sir?
Is that a warranty, one of those warranties that doesn't cover anything?
No, this warranty will cover everything that's on the back that we already inspect, make sure it was up to par.
No, that's not the case at all.
Okay.
Show me what the warranty covers.
Okay. The warranty cover all major components, sir.
Well, no, read them to me.
Okay.
You're reading the wrong side. All right?
All right, we're gonna start with the engine, sir.
Just read the bold print to me.
Okay, it covers the engine, the transmission, and the manual transmission, and you have the automatic transmission that it covers seals, gaskets, and taxis fluids. Air conditioner, the heating and fuel system and cooling system and the braking system, even the suspension, sir, including the steering and the electrical system, and the high-tech convention group will be covered, and you will have all this in writing, sir.
Well, that's a very thorough warranty then, isn't it?
That is correct, sir.
Far superior to most warranties provided by dealers to used car
And that's
customers.
only at Clay Cooley, sir, and that's
Okay.
on all of our pre-owned vehicles, whether it's a Toyota, Nissan, Acura. we'll have
All your Motor Trend
Motor
certified
Trend, yes.
vehicles, not your Kia. Your Kia certified vehicles come with a different warranty.
Well, that's why I named the Nissan, Honda.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, there's guarantee number 1. What's guarantee number 2?
Okay, guarantee number 2 is if you have, like if you buy the car, you keep it for 3 days.
When you buy the car.
Okay, when you buy the car, you keep it for 3 days, you decide you want to do something else or go another route. As long as you stay under 150 miles, we will actually give you 100% of your money back, sir.
Oh, Octavia, no dealer does that.
Sir, actually, we would do it and give it to you in writing when you're in finance to get.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's another guarantee?
Then you have this, even if you decide to keep it for 7 days, as long as you don't go over 250 miles, sir, we will still give you, you can exchange for another vehicle up to 7 days, sir.
Give the man a hand. You've come a long way in 24 hours.